Hello everyone, welcome back to Giggly Hits. Today I'm going to show you how to do the right yalg and the left yalg, which are series of moves that you will need to know in order to completely finish the first layer. You will also need the left yalg and right yalg throughout the whole step-by-step formula of solving a Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to teach you some notations. The first one is F, which means front. So for example, if I'm holding the cube like this side would be the front. The next one is B. B is for back. So the yellow side would be the back. The next one is L. L is for left. So this side would be left. R. R is for right. The green side is the right side. U means up. So this would be the top, so it's up. And the final one is down. D for down. So D would be the notation. Now that you know what F, B, L, R, U and D are, I am going to add something onto the letters to represent anti-clockwise and clockwise. First of all, clockwise is the way a clock moves. For example, if I was moving the front clockwise, I would move it this way because that is how the clock moves. But if I was moving anti-clockwise, then it's the opposite way the clock moves. So it would go this way because that is not the way a clock moves. To show that, you add an apostrophe. It looks like a floating comma. So if there's an apostrophe, you turn that side anti-clockwise. And if there isn't an apostrophe, then you turn that side clockwise. For example, if you had F apostrophe, then you would move the front, F for front, this side, and you would move it anti-clockwise because there is an apostrophe. So I would move it this way. But if there was an F only, then you move it front because it's an F, and you would move it clockwise because there isn't an apostrophe. So you would move it like this. Now let's do the right yalg. For doing the right yalg, you need to do the following steps. So the first one is R, which means R for right. So this is the right side. And there's no apostrophe, so we move it clockwise. What's next? Next one is U. So U is for up, so we take the up. And there isn't an apostrophe, so you move it clockwise. The next one is R apostrophe. Means we go back to the right side, and there's an apostrophe, which means we move it anti-clockwise. And finally, there's U apostrophe. U is for up, and apostrophe means that we have to move it anti-clockwise. Well done, you've just done the right yalg once. Let's do it again. R. R means the right side. We move it clockwise. Next one is U. U means up, and you do it clockwise. Next one is R apostrophe, which means we take the right side and we move it anti-clockwise. And then it's U apostrophe, so we move the U for up anti-clockwise because of the apostrophe. Now we're going to learn the left yalg. For the left yalg, you need to do the following steps. The first one is L apostrophe. So L is for left, this is the left side, and apostrophe means anti-clockwise. So we move it anti-clockwise once. The next one is U apostrophe. U means up, and when there's an apostrophe, you move it anti-clockwise. The next one is L, which means left. So we take the left side. There's no apostrophe, so it goes clockwise. The next one is U. U means up and there's no apostrophe, so we move it clockwise. Well done. You've done the left dialog once. Let's do it again. So the first one was L apostrophe left anti-clockwise. Then U apostrophe, which is up anti-clockwise. Then it's L, which means left. There's no apostrophe, so we move it clockwise. And then it's U, which means up. There's no apostrophe, so we move it clockwise. Remember to practice and follow these steps because they'll be very important for solving the Rubik's Cube. Now we're going to finish the whole of the bottom layer. Do you remember where we left it last time? Yes, we had a white cross. For this step, you'll only need the right dialog. So let's look at an empty corner. These are the corner pieces and they're all empty. They should be white. So let's first look at this corner piece. This corner piece has 3 colors. If you remember in the first class, we learned that corner pieces have 3 colors. So the corner piece that we're looking for should have red, green and white, so that they'll match. There are 8 possible places where that corner piece could be. It could be on the bottom 4 corner pieces, or they could be on the top 4 corner pieces. Let's have a look. This isn't right because there isn't a white piece. This isn't right, nor is this or this. Okay, let's go to the top. So we were looking for the red, green and white piece. This is orange, green and white, and this is red, green and white. Now for this you'll have to move the top part, and you have to place this corner piece right above the place you want it to go down 2 spaces. So we have to look for the place we were looking at to match. It shouldn't be here because we need orange for this one. Is it here? Yes, it's right above the place it should go down. Now what you need to do is hold it like this so that you can move this side. Do you remember the right dialog? On the right dialog, you first move the right side clockwise, then the up clockwise, and the right anti-clockwise, and the up anti-clockwise. And now you have to look if the white is back. No, it's green. Let's do it one more time. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise. Is it down? No, it's yellow, not white. Let's do it again. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, and up anti-clockwise. Is it down? No. Let's do it again. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, and up anti-clockwise. Let's do it one more time because it's red. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, and up anti-clockwise. Yes, now it all matches. Red matches to red, green matches to green, and the white matches. Let's move on to another corner. This corner isn't solved yet, so let's do this one. What colors should be on the corner piece? There should be green, orange, and white. Okay, this isn't green, orange, and white, nor is this. not this. And it can't be this because this one's already right. Green, orange, white. This is the one we need. Let's move it to its right place. It shouldn't be here. Yes, it should be here because this needs to move 2 places down to get to here. Now let's do the righty alg. Do you remember how you're supposed to hold it? You should be able to move this side properly, the top side properly. So the first step is right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, and up anti-clockwise. Is it down? In just one go it went down. Let's do the next corner. This corner is empty. It's blue, not white. Okay. Oh, the corner's in the right space because we need orange, blue, and white. This orange, blue, and white. So now let's do the righty alg. So we need to go right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, and up anti-clockwise. And it's already down. Let's look at the last corner. There should be blue, red, and also white. Let's look for that corner. This is not red, blue, and white. This is red, blue, and white. Okay, and it's in the right place as well. Let's do the righty alg. So we should go right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, and up anti-clockwise. Now we finished the first layer. Well done! Now that you know how to solve the Rubik's Cube with the righty alg, I'm going to teach you how to solve one corner with the lefty alg. When solving the righty alg, we always look for the corner piece to fill the missing area. So let's do the same. So the corner piece we're looking for needs to be blue, red, and white. So let's find it. It's not this one, not this one either. Yes, it's this one. It is blue, red, and also white. Let's move it to the right place. Now instead of holding it for the righty alg, we need to hold it like this for the lefty alg, so that you can move the left and the up. Now let's do the lefty alg. The first step is left anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, left clockwise, and up clockwise. Is it down? Yes, it's down. Now we know how to solve the first layer if the corner pieces are above. But what if they're at the bottom? So this base isn't ready yet. And this piece is over here. How do we get it up here instead? Because this is blue, orange, and white, and it should be blue, orange, and white. So how do we do it? All you need to do is hold it how you're going to hold it, able to move the right side and up. All you need to do is one righty alg. So you need to move the right clockwise, the up clockwise, the right anti-clockwise, and the up anti-clockwise. Now it's above. All you need to do is do the righty alg again and again until you get the white piece here. Well done. If you want to get this piece above with the lefty alg, all you need to do is hold it so that you can move the left side and the up, and then do the lefty alg once. Left anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, left clockwise, and up clockwise. Now it's above. And then you do the same thing that we learned and do the lefty alg or the righty alg until it gets to the bottom. After you've solved the white completely, make sure that this first row is how you need it to be. So here it should be red because the red is the middle piece. Here it should be green because green is the middle piece. And this row should be orange because the middle is orange, and so on. that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please do watch my coming videos of how to solve a Rubik's Cube step by step. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.